let me tell you about a few platforms that you should definitely have your profile on if you want to be noticed by companies. Number one, obviously, is LinkedIn. Make sure you have your most updated profile on LinkedIn, update your skills on it, update your education on it, and write a good tagline for yourself. Recruiters are always searching on LinkedIn, so make sure your profile is updated on LinkedIn to get good opportunities. Number two, AngelList. That's angel.co. A lot of startups hire from AngelList, and one of the best parts about AngelList is that you really get quick responses, and the responses are generally from the decision maker. That's either the head of HR or the CEO. So if you want to work for some amazing startups, go to AngelList and make a profile there. Then there's this other website called HasJob, which is again similar to AngelList. A lot of companies post job descriptions over there, and HasJob connects you right to them. You don't need to go through any middleman. So you should check HasJob also for any openings. Then there's also this new website called CutShort. CutShort is using artificial intelligence to figure out which company you are best fit for. So if you updated your skills and your resume very nicely on CutShort, then you have a good chance of getting connected to the right set of companies. And also, if you are a techie, then you definitely need to have your own online portfolio. That's always best because any interviewer, when they start looking up you, they should have your portfolio that they can view. If you are a software developer or a software engineer who's looking to start their career and wants to learn a programming language, then log on to Edyst.com. Our graduates receive an average of 3 job opportunities once they complete the course. So if you're looking to start your software career, log on to Edyst.com and start a course right now.